What's up? Welcome back. We have Jerk by Oliver Tree. It's a new song, and I'm just gonna call the new song which came out today off by Oliver Tree. So let's get started. We have no capo for this song. Make sure to subscribe telling at the beginning because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers in this month, and it will help me a lot and encourage me to post more greater content for you guys. So let's get started. Don't want to talk much. Friday, new music coming out, and have a lot to do today. So no capo, as you can see, channel tuning. We have the one same thing going throughout the whole song. One main riff we have on the chord shapes, which is very easy, and then we have a power chord which goes on, and I also want to show you the open chords, how to play that. So let's get started. No need to have a look at the structure. Have a look at the chords. First chord is the A minor, which is mute 0 2 2 1 0. Next chord is the F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. And the next one is E major, which is 0 2 2 1 0 0. We use some variation of this chord while playing the riff, which goes for the verse, pre-chorus mainly, and for the chorus we just go to the power chords. So let's get started. Main riff. We start off playing the A, so the chord progression will be a minor, again a A minor, then an F, then an E. That goes on throughout the whole song. So I'm playing the A string open, have a look at the tab, then second fret on the D string, then open G string, then second fret on the B string, then first fret on the B string. One more, I repeat from the beginning. A string open, everything is on the A minor chord, have a look. A string open, then I got D string second fret, open G string, second fret on the G string, first fret on the B string, second fret on the G string, D string open, D string second fret, I'm sorry, then A string open. So you got. We just played once. Then we have the F major, but we use a variation which is basically F major 7. So it's actually 1 on the top string, 3 on the A string, second fret on the D string. We play 1, we play E string, then we play the A string, then we play the D string, then we play the A string. So you got. And then we play our E7, which is we play open on the E string, second fret on the A string, and open D string. Don't need to know about the rest. You play E string, A string, D. You play E, then A, then a D, then an A. So I got. So from the beginning, this riff will sound something like this. Sorry. And now let's have a look at the power chord technique. We have the A power chord, which is 1, which is 5 on the E string, and then D, and the A is 7 7. With, you can see my fingers, and with my index I'm getting all the other string muted. Same goes for the F, which is 1 3 3. Same shape, just go bring it to the first fret over here, and then you have E, which is 0 2 2, and make sure that you keep the all other string muted. So I'm using my index finger right now, but it's used for muting. Now what I do is I do A downstroke on the A major, since it's repeated twice, then I go to F, then I go to E. Now when we play power chords, there is nothing as minor or major because we don't have the third, which makes the difference in the minor or major. That's a lot into music theory, but never mind, let's play. A downstroke, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 on the F, and on the E again 1 2 3 4. We got down 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 down, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Nice and easy. Now let's put the open chords over here, A minor, then an F, then an E. Do the exact same pattern of 8 downstroke on the A minor, 4 downstroke on the F, and on the E. So we got. change into the next chord, I just do a down up fastly, but it's a big option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it for this lesson. Make sure to drop in one of these. Again, I'm telling subscribe because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers, and obviously I will do something very special for it. And I'll see you guys back in the next video Friday. A lot of music coming, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys back in my next video. Till then, bye.